I just received the solar driveway alarm and I can't wait to check it out. So here's what comes in the box. We have the base station and the cable and AC adapter. We have a booklet, and we have the actual sensor that has the solar panel here. And we have a sensor back plate to assemble onto any surface you need. And we have some masonry screws here and anchors. So here we go. Let's check out, see how this works. This is also good for up to half a mile range. And it is obviously the solar panel has a rechargeable battery. It's 100% free wire, free design, and waterproof because it's an outdoor camera, suitable for use in any environment. So to start, we're going to choose a ringtone by pressing on this ringtone button here.
Zone 1. Driveway. Backyard. Garage. Front side. East side. West side. Side 1.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
Okay, so we could see with all of these, I didn't even count, but there's probably about 20 or more to choose from in all of the different tones, and you could change them whenever you want. You had some Christmas ones and some funny sounds there, so you can have fun with that. This also has a volume up and down button, so you can adjust the volume if it's too loud. And now we're going to pair it to our sensor. Okay, so we are going to open the door here for the monitor. And I'm going to put this on. It's off right now, so I'm just going to put it on here. And I've pressed the pair button. So right now, if you... So right now, when you hit pair, it will pair right away. So the zone 1 is on. I've selected zone 1, or channel 1. And this here is a weatherproof rubber protector. Every time that you have movement going in front of the sensor, it will blink red. And in the house, you're going to have this plugged in and your zone 1 is blinking. So that is what is triggered. So it works very quickly and it will ring 2 or 3 times. This obviously is the solar panel, so it's going to be up towards the sunshine, and this sensor will be aimed to the vehicle or to the persons, wherever you want to aim it to. So you can also fix it to the mount so that you could rotate it up or down to get the proper angle you need. So basically that's all there is to do. It's very simple, very effective. I love that it has a half-mile range. So if you have a long driveway, you can put this out and even before you see or before the dog barks, you will get an alert in your home that someone is coming down your driveway. So I find this to be perfect, simple, so easy, just a couple buttons and plug it in, and there's no setup, there's nothing difficult to do. This is very user friendly, and I would highly recommend this. So a couple other key points about this is that even though this is solar, and obviously you remove this when you take it out, but you can charge it with the same cord that has come for the base, home base. You can charge your sensor, give it a full charge on a day or times where it's cloudy and you're not getting much sunshine, so to make sure that it's going to be working. Also, zone 1 and 2, you get that red light flashing when there's motion, but zone 3 and 4, you don't. You don't want to alert people that the red light has triggered. You could put it on zone 3 and 4. So this is all there is to it. And obviously, because you have a home base with 4 different zones, you can get 4 cameras set up on this one base. This way you can have front, house, the side, if you want to avoid intruders. Also, it does suggest that for cars, you would put the height to 1 foot, 0.3 meters height from the ground, and horizontally, and not to aim it to shrub or trees since they move with the wind. And then to detect people, you would adjust the angle according to the specific situation. So depending if they're walking or if it's a backyard, you'd have to play with the angle and position. So that is everything regarding the wireless solar driveway alarm. Thank you to the brand for sending me the solar driveway alarm.